What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a PC easily and wirelessly. To start, we'll be using Reflector 4, a popular screen mirroring software. This tool allows you to wirelessly mirror your iPhone screen to your PC without the need for cables. First, open up your browser and head to the official Reflector 4 website. On this site, scroll down to check out all of the features it offers. While it's a paid software, there's a free trial version available that you can use for a limited time. When you're ready to download, look at the download button at the top right of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be asked to select your platform, such as Windows or Mac. After downloading the installer, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it to launch the installation process. The setup is pretty straightforward, requiring just a few clicks to complete. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once the installation is finished, launch Reflector 4. Now, grab your iPhone and swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Tap on the screen mirroring button, and you'll see a list of available devices. Look for your PC's name in the list and tap on it. Once you select your PC, Reflector 4 will display a code on your screen. Enter this code and your iPhone will confirm the connection. After entering the code, your iPhone screen will instantly mirror to your PC, allowing you to view everything in real time. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.